a lot of people mistake vision for just seeing how the final film, the finished film is going to look, how the edit is going to look. Now that's not vision. That's an editor's mindset. And a lot of people mask a lack of skill with the word vision, that, oh, they've got vision. They know the vision. It's like, for me, vision is what makes the director a visionary director, or what makes people really enjoyable to work with, is an uncanny ability to be present, to be perceptive, to pay attention to everything that's happening around you. Because as much as an AD is usually the focal point who pulls together the crew and the production, the director is the focal point for the intangible stuff, subtext, stuff that is, it's like, there's I'm going to go into this. It's a little, one of my favorite stories in filmmaking. It was an Angelina Jolie film, when, I don't remember which one, when they were shooting in, I believe it was in Cambodia, in the middle of the forest, the rainforest. And they were shooting scenes of violence. So it was like gunshots and explosions. And in the middle of shooting, they started hearing tribal people crying, children crying, because they realized that they were literally reenacting real life trauma that happened when it was, it was a Cambodian genocide. And they stopped production. They started, I don't remember, it was a form of meditation. They started praying. They started, all of a sudden they became humans instead of working people, workhorses, machines. And I would love to see more of that on set. That it's not just when your actor is having a bad day, you're not going to get a good performance out of them. When your DP is having a bad day, you're not going to get a great shot. When your set designer is having a bad day, you're going to have a much more difficult time. And so to have that presence, that ability, that, you know what, it's lovely and it's incredibly useful to plan, have all the plans, but then have the internal structure to be able to come on set and, if need be, throw out all the plans and make the best decisions with what we have right now.
Yeah.
Because nobody will see in the final film, nobody will know, nobody will see what you didn't do, what you were missing, what you wanted to do, but you couldn't. All that you can see is what you achieved on the day. And I've seen a lot of people who shut down when something went wrong, when something didn't go according to the plan. And a lot of people get very passive aggressive or aggressive when they don't get what they wanted. And for me, that's a lack of skill, that's a lack of talent, and that's massively a lack of vision. It's not that you are sticking to your vision and not giving it up. It's that you are living inside your own bubble and not understanding that it's a collaborative job.
Yes.